Y'all, it's been so long since I made a video. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Sorry I've been gone for so long. Like, I'm literally a college student. I'm super busy. I play college basketball that makes me 20 times busier. But anyways, but today we're gonna be doing a video on making these little spiky Crocs I've seen. Yeah, they're super cute, super easy if you got the right stuff. And yeah, make sure y'all check out my Instagram and my Depop, which is at @DNadiaHoward. I'm not posting as much on my Depop right now because it's just a lot to deal with, but I will in a couple months, so stay posted, stay tuned in, stay locked in. Of course, comment, subscribe, like if you want to, like, you know, if you might as well if you here, right? Like, might as well if you want to. And then yeah, let's get into the video. So boom, one day I came across these like big, chunky, spiky, cute, gothic Crocs, and they were just giving me y2k vibes and just everything that I love. So yeah, and I checked them out on Depop, and they were like asking $120 for them, and I was like, $120 is a little out of my college budget, so no. And then I checked Etsy, and they were asking for pretty much just as much or more. So like, let me just make them myself. So I bought the Crocs off of the Crocs site. Obviously, they didn't take long to come in, which was amazing, great, awesome. And I got the little screws and stuff from Amazon. I'm gonna put both of those, where to get both of them at, of course, on the screen or whatever. And I popped holes in the top of the Crocs. This was because like the screws, they just weren't big enough to go through the regular Croc holes like gibbets. So I had to pop holes to put in my own little things. And this part was hard, popping the hole, because the Croc is thick. Like, Crocs are a lot thicker than you think. And this part was even harder, is pushing a little tiny screw through the hole to screw on the spike top. But you just have to push, and then try to screw it on. Like, it's hard, but once you get the hang of it, like, you got it. But that's really all there is. And I just put the Crocs in, just put the spikes wherever I wanted on the Crocs. And yeah, that's really all that I did. And that's how it's done. No way, you're still here. You're still here. You must like me a little bit, if not a lot of it. So you might as well check out my social media, which is at @DNadiaHoward. That's my Instagram. And my Depop is also at It's also at @DNadiaHoward. Yeah, that's really it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out my other videos, and hopefully I'll be posting some more videos soon, but I don't really know. Anyways, bye, chicas and chicos.